Today, we're going to learn about algorithms and flowcharts. Can anyone tell me what an algorithm is?
It's like a recipe, right? Steps to do something.
Exactly. An algorithm is a step by step procedure to solve a problem. For example, if I ask you to bring me a file from the office, what would you need to know?
Which file, where it is, what it looks like.
Correct. Detailed instructions make it easier. Let's look at an example. Imagine your brother asks you to buy some science lab manual sheets. What steps might he give you?
Go to the shop, ask for the sheets, buy them if they're white or colored.
Right, that's an algorithm. It gives clear steps to follow. Now, let's write a simple algorithm. How about one to buy a notebook?
Okay, get money from parent, go to the shop, ask for a notebook with 196 pages. If they have it, buy it. If not, check if it has less than 250 pages, then buy it. If not, go home.
Good. Each step is clear and sequential. Now, why are algorithms important for computers?
Because computers need exact instructions to do anything.
Exactly. Computers don't think for themselves. They need detailed steps. Let's write an algorithm to greet a user. What would the steps be?
Start. Ask for the user's name. Store the name. Say hello to the user. End.
Perfect. Now let's make it a bit more complex. Write an algorithm to compare two numbers and say which is larger.
Start. Ask for two numbers. Store them. If the first number is greater, say it's larger. If not, say the second one is larger. End.
Great. Notice how we use conditions to decide what to do next. Now let's complicate it a bit more. How would you compare three numbers?
Start. Ask for three numbers. Store them. If the first is greater than the second, check if it's also greater than the third. If yes, say it's the largest. If not, check if the second is greater than the third. If yes, say the second is largest. If no, the third is the largest. End.
Excellent. This is getting more complex, isn't it?
Yes, it's harder to keep track of all the steps.
That's where flowcharts come in handy. They represent the steps visually. Let's draw a flowchart for greeting the user. What shapes do we use?
Ovals for start and end, parallelograms for input-output, and rectangles for processes.
Correct. And arrows show the flow of steps. Let's draw one together. What's the first shape?
An oval for start,
Right. Then what?
a parallelogram to ask for the user's name, a rectangle to store the name, another parallelogram to display the greeting, an oval for end.
Perfect. That's a flow chart. It makes the steps easier to follow. Any questions?
No, this makes sense now.
Great. Algorithms and flow charts are essential for programming. They help us organize and communicate our ideas clearly. We'll practice more next time.